It's a Dell Latitude, and we're going to upgrade the RAM from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. This is actually a Dell Latitude D630, but this works the same on a D620 and a D820. Okay, let's see what we got on board first. Start it up. If you're stuck home during this pandemic, go ahead and hit my playlist and learn about the laptop, how to upgrade it. There's a lot of videos in there. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. I got a password here. Hold on. Okay, now we'll just see how much memory we got on board. Try to keep that light off the screen. Okay, you go up to properties. Hope this comes out on the... Can you see 2 gigabytes there in the middle? Install, we got 2 gigabytes. Alright, now let's go put the other 2 in there. We'll shut it down. If you can see here, I broke the, there's a bezel that goes along the back here with a start button. If you're wondering why you can see my computer there, the laptop. I broke the button off the, let me get a screwdriver here. This is the start button. It's supposed to have a little rubber flap like right here. And I broke it off there, going in and out of here too often. So I'm going to need a new keyboard. But it works for now. I can just touch that button, it'll start it. Alright, we shut the computer down. Now we're going to remove the battery. Power cord. Here's your main battery. You're going to pull the 2 tabs outward away from each other. Okay. And I got to also have a battery over in the modular bay where your CD-ROM's located. We're going to remove that battery. I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description where to buy this one at. This is an extra battery. Okay, you got your batteries out. Okay, our RAM's located underneath here. One of the RAMs is located here. The other one's under the keyboard, but I already know this slot's empty, so that's where we're going. Just one screw here. And it's going to stay in, the screw stays in when you loosen it. It'll stay in the panel. Okay. Okay, here's where we're going to put the RAM. Try to find my RAM stick here. Let me hit pause. Hold on a second. Okay, here's my RAM stick. Alright, see the notch here on the RAM stick? You got a notch right here. Okay, you got to make sure you line it up. It's over on this side of here. So we're going to flip the RAM over. Make sure our notch is over there on that side. It's over on the left side on this one. And we're going to go in at a 45-degree angle. You're going to make sure you hide all the gold bar on the bottom there. It's got to all be in, flush. On the bottom there. I'll turn it sideways, you can see. See, we're going in at about a 45-degree angle there. So, make sure the bottom's flush. You can't see none of that gold part. And then just push down. It'll lock in. These tabs to the side they'll pop in. And that's it, you're in there. Okay, now just replace the cover. Change hands here. Okay, now we put our batteries back. The modular bay. Slide that in, hit that tab in there. Main battery. Just push it that way, it'll go in. Locked in. Okay, let's see how much RAM we got now. Gonna go ahead and start it. That little start button there in the back. Like and subscribe, and leave comments down in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. What videos I can make. Laptop upgrades. It's going to take a minute. I'm going to hit pause. It takes a minute when you change your RAM to reboot. So I'm going to pause it for a minute. It'll be a stop jump. Okay, I'm still waiting on the restart. It's got to get across here. Check right here for your BIOS, your edition of your BIOS on the D630, D620 Latitude. Mine says A19. That's where you want to be. If you don't have that one, check on my playlist. Check out my videos. I'll show you. I showed how to upgrade the BIOS. You might have an old one, A17, A15. You want to get up to the latest BIOS, A19, and that's if you replace the CPU and also in the BIOS. You got to have the latest you want to have the newest one. Gives you a lot more functionality in the BIOS. Okay, I'm going to pause one more time here. We're taking too long here. And check out my playlist. I think I already said that. I think I made another video on the RAM a little while back. We're almost there. It's a Dell Latitude D630. Okay, now you're going to want to hit, go ahead and read that there, but you're going to want to hit F1 on your way back in to continue to boot, to start up. Okay, hit enter. I got a password here. Let me drop down so you guys can't see. Okay, and I'm running Windows 10 Pro on here. Okay, let me scroll over there. I'll show you in the next video, next couple videos, how to download that Windows 10. I'll show you how to load it in the how to download a copy of it and load it. So you want this PC. Go over here. Then we go up to properties up here. And it should show up 4 gigs. There it is, 4 gigs. I got a the CPU T9300, 2.5 gigs, 4 gigs. I just named the computer Bill Gates. Seems like he owns everything. Alright, like and subscribe. And check out my playlist. I'll leave it in the description. Leave comments on what you want to see. I got some more videos getting ready to drop next couple days. Okay.